Joining the modes, basic concept, page 1. You're looking at pattern number 1, and it starts with a real finger stretcher. You're going to go from fret 1 to fret 3 to pinky on fret 5 on the second string, and then also onto the first string as well. So if I pick everything, it's going to be like this. Got that? So it is a bit of a stretch. Drop your thumb a little bit. If my thumb goes too high, my hand closes. You can see my pinky went down there. As my thumb disappears, I can stretch more. So just find that sweet spot for your thumb where you can get from fret 1 to fret 5 comfortably. Okay. Now on the picking technique, I just want to quickly focus on what I'm doing there. We're going to look at alternating picking, alternate strokes. That just means I start with a down pick, up pick, down pick, up pick, down pick, up pick. So no matter which string I'm on, I'm always picking down, up, down, up, down, up. So if I put the first bar you just heard, it'll look and sound like this. Simple as that. And back to the fretting hand. We're going to look at the second bar, and I also want you to notice that the notes are slightly color coded as well. So everything on the B string, on the second string, I've got in dark blue. Everything on the first string is a shade of red/brown. Okay, but your first bar we've just done, 6 notes, 3 notes per string, triplets. There we go. So we got this one more time. Now the next bar simply starts on the second note of the first bar, which is there. So you move your hand up from this position to here, and you go. So once you've got into the position for each bar, in other words, I started here. Once you've finished, then you jump to the next position, and you play that before you go to the next bar. So please make sure you've secured your correct hand position for each bar. Next up, you're going to jump to fret 5, and so you're working your way up the fretboard. Now what I want to suggest is first get the first 2 bars going, and then add on the next bar, and literally just follow the numbers. Now on the page itself that I sent through, the last bar will be 8, 10, 12 on both strings. And I don't show you further because I want you to understand the concept. And the concept over here is each bar starts on the second note of the preceding bar. Like for example, that very last bar, that 8 that I'm playing there, is actually the second note of the previous bar. If you look at the 6, 8, 10, there's my second note, and that's where I started the last bar. Now I want you to take that and work your way up even further. And I'm going to show you through just playing it, but if you're not able to watch, just try and work it out. Get a note that shows you all the notes in the key of C major. In other words, there's no sharps and flats. So all the notes I'm playing here are A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. There's no F sharps or B flats or anything like that. So the next bar that would have been written on your page would be, which would have been 10, 12, 13. Then I'd go to 12, 13, 15. Then I go 13, 15, 17. And I gradually work my way up as far as my guitar would allow me. That would have been your 13, 15, 15, 17, 19 over there, sorry. And then work it away. Getting claustrophobic now, and if you can squeeze your hand in, I know the Les Paul style guitars make it a bit difficult to get that 22nd fret. That wasn't too much fun, okay, but you can play it the whole way through. Now there's 2 ways I want you to practice this. The one is the picking, and the other way is to hammer on everything. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this. Hear the difference in sound? And what's happening is I'm going pick, hammer, hammer, pick, hammer, hammer. And I get a nice different legato, more flowing feel. Ooh, sorry, wrong note there, but I'm not going to redo the video. Deal with the wrong note. Okay, don't play the wrong note though, obviously. Okay, so the first way is to pick everything the whole way through. Pick, 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 and then hammer-ons. There, I've got that one right. And of course a little bit of overdrive, and if you watch my picking hand, just to show the technique now, I'm going to start from fret 8. Okay, you can start wherever you like, obviously, but you'll notice I'm picking each string only once. Which gives me a lot more speed. So you can pick everything, or you can use hammer-ons the whole way through. Obviously pattern 2 will be the descending, which I'm going to do on the next video. So I hope you got this one under wraps. Any questions, let me know. If you need the PDF, don't forget to inbox me or WhatsApp me, and have a cool day. See you next video.